below again. It's the Guillory.
And not Nick Fury.
And today we have these it's called Arcade 1-Up Collectables. I got these at Five Below. Thought we'd check them out. So there's different game things.
Right.
So let's just see what we got. We got one each. So I got the Blue Ghost. What is its name? Louis something? Oh, I don't know. I don't remember what the ghost names are really. And it doesn't give you a list in here, so.
Old lady.
Okay, next. Go ahead, Adrian.
It's just an old lady screaming random nonsense at the top of her lungs in the background.
What if somebody actually had videos where that was happening? This is normal, right?
There's a bull tag.
Oh. I almost apple different it.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, I got the
Oh,
pink
good.
ghost.
You got the pink one.
It
Okay.
looks like a pink starburst. Yummy.
Inky, pinky, and blue. Okay, let's see. Yeah, does Krista get the ghost? Did she get the red one? Did she get something else?
The blue ghost.
Did she get the same?
Alright. I got pink one.
Oh no. Every time we do this, we at least get one double. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got two of the pink ghosts. They match. So, there was like a lot of different games you can get, and there were some bad clips too, but we all got the fluffies from the Pac-Man. Okay, so if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're not afraid of any ghosts, please subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye.
Bye.